All right, so it's New Year's Eve and people are gonna party. So we're gonna do something a little different today, the perfect Negroni. Now in bars, you generally get 1 part gin, 1 part sweet vermouth, and 1 part Campari. Sometimes they'll do 1.5 parts gin. So my personal opinion, these are both wrong. So I'm gonna show you, wait for it, my No Baloney Negroni. So I got ice over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna use 2 parts gin. So there's 1, and there's 2. We got 1 part of the sweet vermouth. Get that in there. And 1 part of Campari. And that's what you got. Now, usually it's served with a twist or a slice of orange, and I am going to do that. But I do one more thing to just kick it up a little more. My No Baloney Negroni, I add about a teaspoon of Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur, in addition to the orange. So there we go. I got my twist over here. Don't put that in. I get a nice slice of orange there. Put that on the side. And there you have it, folks. Well, that's good. That's going to really set you up for the new year. So, Happy New Year, everybody. Until next time.